This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Zircon stud finder. First, ensure your device has fresh batteries for optimal performance. Zircon stud finders are designed to quickly locate the edges and center of wood and metal studs behind walls. We will cover the essential steps to accurately find studs, helping you safely hang pictures, mount televisions, or complete other home improvement projects with confidence. Let's get started with the basics of operation. Proper calibration is crucial for accurate readings. To begin, place your Zircon stud finder flat against the wall in an area you know is free of studs, like between two windows. Press and hold the power button. The device will emit a beep and flash its lights, indicating it is calibrating. Once the ready light illuminates, usually after a few seconds, you can release the button and begin scanning. This ensures the tool is properly adjusted to the wall's density. With the device calibrated, slowly slide it horizontally across the wall surface. Keep it flat and avoid tilting. As the stud finder approaches a stud, it will typically light up and emit an audible tone. Continue sliding until the center indicator illuminates, then mark this spot. To find the edges, slide past the center in both directions until the indicator lights turn off, marking those points as well. For walls with thicker drywall or multiple layers, activate the deep scan mode if your model has one. This mode allows the device to penetrate further, typically up to 1½ inches. Always avoid scanning directly over electrical outlets or metal junction boxes, as these can interfere with readings. If you move to a different wall or room, it is always a good practice to recalibrate your stud finder for the best accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.